Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you a pre-owned fifth wheel. If you're looking for a bunkhouse, this is a beautiful bunkhouse. They kept it up really nice, and it's at a great price. It is a Sabre. I'm going to find out what year it is and model, but let's go from the outside in, and you guys let me know. Let's go. Hey guys, Alright guys, we got a Sabre Cobalt. It is model 380DBQ. It is a 2021. You have 3 slides on this side. And again, the outside looks like it's in great condition. You've got a slide on this side with a long awning. Speakers on the outside. It does have 2 doors. And let's take a look at this. See which one's locked. Let's see. Got it. All right, we've got a nice big fridge, some storage, sink, outlets, all the goods. Perfect. And you do have your LP Quick Connect right there conveniently. And you've got your backup camera prep as well. All right, let's take a look inside. Nice and big, beautiful flooring. Love how big it is. All right, so right over here we've got, it looks like they probably did, maybe they redid it, or I'm not sure, because I would assume that a table went here, but they do have a couch, of course. I'm sure it turns into a bed, and they have theater seating as well. And across from that, they do have their theater area with a fireplace. You've got a lot of storage in here, let me tell you. So you got storage here, there. You got a pantry right here. You've got more storage right up there. And then you got your beautiful island, nice big sink, storage and cabinetry down below. You got a 3-burner microwave. And then you got a residential fridge, which is nice and big. Plenty of space here, guys, for all your goods. Plenty of space. And then you do have more storage right over here. Both the bottom as well. And you do have a ceiling fan, beautiful windows all the way around. And then right through here we have our bunkhouse. So in this bunkhouse, oh, okay, I see. So they had the couch in here that turned into a bed, and they moved that in there, and the table and chairs they moved in here. Very nice touch. I do like it. So you got a bunk here. You've got a loft right up here with 2 bunks. Plenty of space, some little storage up there, and then of course storage all the way down here, all the way around. Plenty of storage here. Get some theater, like you got your TV over here, so you can set that up. And you do have a bathroom back here. Now they did put the ladder that goes right here. In here just to get out of the way. This is also where that second door is, but plenty of space in here, so they do have a full bath in here, which is really nice. All right, and this is quite big, so plenty of space in here for those kiddos. Right down this, right through the hall, we've got our second bathroom or first bathroom, however you want to call it. So it's got a walk-in. You've got a little seat right there, plenty of storage area, plenty of space and room to do your thing. And then I love having a window in the hallways. I know I always mention this, and they do have it covered. Just, you know, being in Texas, it's nice to have that covered, but I love that you have the option. So an east to west master bedroom with a nice big bed, plenty of space to walk around. Get a nice big closet over here. Love the barn doors. So plenty of storage again, plenty of storage. And I'm gonna assume this is a washer and dryer area. It is. So you got your prep for washer and dryer. You got a little dresser right here. You can hang up your entertainment right there, but plenty of space in here. And again, the price is just so good. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Would love to share this with you, show you around. Cannot wait to actually show this one. But until next time, guys.